Hi everyone, this is David Taylor. Welcome back to our Virtual Writing Center. In this session, we'll explore the business report, a structured form of writing designed to communicate findings, analyze performance, and recommend solutions in a professional setting.
What is a business report? A business report is a structured document that presents information to help decision-making within a company. A business report can take many forms, from a short summary to a detailed document, depending on what information needs to be shared. Its main goals are to inform, analyze, and recommend, and the way you organize and express those ideas makes all the difference. The basic structure of a business report. Let's take a look at a typical business report layout. Title page includes the report title, your name, position, company name, and the date. Example, Quarterly Sales Analysis Report, prepared by Marketing Department, June 2025. Executive Summary. A short, one-page summary of the report's key points. What the report covers, major findings, and recommendations. It should be concise but complete enough that someone could read only this page and still understand the report's main message. Table of Contents lists all main sections with page numbers for easy navigation. Introduction. Explains why the report was written, the background, purpose, and scope. Language tip. Use objective phrases like, the purpose of this report is to analyze. This report aims to provide an overview of. Methodology describes how you collected your data or conducted your research. Use clear, factual language such as, data was collected through surveys conducted across 5 regional branches. Findings or discussion presents your data, analysis, or results. Avoid emotional or subjective expressions. Instead, use neutral, evidence-based statements like, the data indicates a 12% increase in sales during the second quarter. Conclusions and recommendations. Summarize what your findings mean and suggest actions. Example, it is recommended that the company invest in additional marketing in Region B to maintain growth momentum. Appendices and references. Add charts, graphs, or supporting data that are too detailed for the main body. Use consistent formatting for all visuals and reference materials. Language and style in business reports. Now that we've covered the structure, let's focus on the language. Business reports use formal, objective, and precise language. Here are some quick guidelines. Be clear and direct. Avoid unnecessary words. Instead of, due to the fact that, say, because. Be objective. Base your statements on evidence, not opinion. Use, the results suggest. Instead of, I believe. Use impersonal tone. Focus on the information, not the writer. Say, the survey results indicate, rather than, we found that. Maintain consistent verb tenses. Use past tense for completed research and present tense for general facts. Use visuals carefully. Tables and charts should clarify information, not clutter it. Always label them clearly. Final tips. Keep it professional. Avoid contractions and casual phrases. Use headings, bullet points, and visuals to make the report readable. Proofread carefully. Grammar and formatting reflect credibility. Always tailor your tone and vocabulary to your intended audience, senior management, clients, or colleagues. Conclusion. To sum up, a good business report is clear, structured, and focused on evidence. It guides readers logically from the introduction to the recommendations using precise and professional language. Remember, structure organizes your ideas, but language gives them power. Together, they make your report not just informative, but effective. Thanks for joining me today, and keep practicing your business writing skills.